All right, Maiden Voyage essentially for the big rig. It is packed to the gills. The reason I came here is the Ohio River is blown out and it's Father's Day and this is a 10 horsepower lake. So even the people who are really bad at boating can only be bad at 10 horsepower. If you can't tell, it's a beautiful day, so Father's Day will be taken advantage of by the public. All right, rig for today, double hook rig. Using our Sandy drifters to make sure, I fold them in half because I'm gonna be using shorter leader lines today. To make sure the fish knew what color I was using though, I wrote the word green on there. Kayak 15 for 15% off Sandy drifters. Wow, 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 wow. Oh God, big hit. Woo! I hope this camera got that. Oh, wow. Please make all the misery today worth it. Wow, that was a big hit. Oh no. Looks like we're fighting the fish on this side. Oh, he's going right for my other line. Come on. I'm gonna end up losing this fish because of all the playing I'm doing with everything. Ugh. Oh, there's another hit. I'm about to have a double. Yep, that's a good hit. I think he's still on. That one's nowhere near as big as this one though. That's why I got this net right there. This is a monster. Weight for fun. It says just under 10 pounds, so we'll call him a 9er. All right, we're gonna get him out of here. Great slot fish. See you, bub. Thank you for an awesome fight. Broke a lot of firsts for me in this kayak. That was the first fish on a planer board in a kayak, first fish on a creek chub in a kayak, first fish in this boat in a kayak. There we go, we got hits. And honestly, if I wasn't running planer boards, I would have a line nightmare right now because that thing went shooting way over, and I have a planer board out on my left line. He almost went into my port side planer board. So if I don't have, I'm kind of glad. I might run planer boards the rest of the night for that, just for that reason alone, the fact that I don't have to worry about messing with tangles. Damn, planer board. I would put money on it, the planer board's preventing this hookup. I think the fish is on. Yeah, we got fish on. I don't think it's any big, but and I'm scared to pop the, because I'm scared if I pop it, I'll pull the hook out of the fish's face. I don't think I have a fish on here anymore. Unless he was running at me. He was running at me. Alright, to make this enjoyable for the viewing audience, I should probably change this. Yep, explains why we could not get you hooked up. If he falls off, it's whatever, probably won't even measure him. I got old baby channel rat here. Yeah, we're not even measuring this guy, we're just gonna get him out of here. That's a hit. That's a good hit. Well, I'm trying to get this other pole situated. This one just got smoked. That's a good hit. Feels like a good fish. This is the one with the big headpiece on it. Come on, planer board, do your job. Get out of my way. There we go. That's a good female. Oh, that sucks. That's why you leave him on the fish grip. All right, we're gonna get him. Oh, you jerk. We're gonna get him out of here. I am soaked now. You gotta be kidding me. There's a hit. Oh, wow. Wow, that was a good hit. Planer board side. Hit and run. Very nice. Run towards the kayak. Did we not pop the planer board? Great fighting fish. We're gonna net this guy. Oh, wow, 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 wow. There we go. Visibility is so bad right now. I have not seen a single fish that I've netted so far, and I'm netting them 6 feet under the water, or 6 inches under the water. All right, 24 incher, perfect slot fish. Get out of here. Oh, that backfired. I've been trying to get him. I was trying to get that one out without soaking myself. That backfired. All right, today was a little Father's Day fishing. I'm gonna call it a day now. It's about 11 o'clock at night. I've been fishing since about noon. I caught 4, 5, or 6 fish. I can't remember how many. All females, all at dusk. I should have knew better than to come out during the day. I knew the bite was going to be terrible, so you probably won't see a lot more day fishing from me going forward. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully the waters aren't blown out next time I can go fishing, so I can try and get on some blue cats. All right, Kayak Mike out of here.